When students enroll in a course at virtual elementary school, they will receive access to the online learning environment, including all lessons, all assessments, and any quizzes and tests that are automatically graded by the computer. The student's parent or guardian also receives access to the Learning Coach portal to monitor student progress throughout the course. There are two routes that can be chosen: the facilitated route and the independent route. In the independent route, the parent or guardian becomes the Learning Coach. The Learning Coach supports the student daily as they progress through the course. They provide immediate answers to questions and engage with the student by discussing what they are learning. Unlike the facilitated route, where the student is assigned a qualified teacher, the Learning Coach also takes on the responsibilities of grading assignments, providing feedback using the provided assessment tools, and tracking grades with the provided gradebook spreadsheet. When the student is all done, the Learning Coach can use completed work, the finalized gradebook, and the course outline as evidence to show that the course is being completed.